Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Valorant and you keep getting this error, there was an error connecting to the platform with the error code VAL62, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Valorant easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to search for Cloudflare WAP on here, and then you're going to go ahead and download this software on your computer. And once it's done downloading, you're going to go ahead and install it, and after you're done installing it, open it up. Now you're going to click onto Cloudflare Warp. You're going to go into this settings icon, click 1.1.1.1 with Warp, and then connect it. And once it's connected, open up your Riot Client. And now just go ahead into Valorant. And now just open up your game. And once you're in the game, if you have high ping, just turn it off after you're in the game. But if you don't have high ping, then just let it run in the background, and that should fix your issue. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.